Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I don't even look at this part of my face right now because my bangs are pissing me off today. We don't talk about them. So I'm getting my hair done tomorrow and I really wanted to film this video now because it came in the mail today. And am I supposed to wait days to unbox? Like, I don't have that type of self-control. I asked you guys on Instagram if I should film an unboxing, if that was still cool with you guys, and I got an overwhelming yes. I love unboxings. If you don't love unboxings, exit out. It's fine. I will not be offended. I get a shopper's high basically from watching them, like even without me having to spend money, you know what I mean? Like, it's just everything I could want. And I have wanted this item for over a year. When it popped up on therealreal for a decent price, plus they were doing a gift card event, so if you spend X amount of dollars you get X amount of dollars in store credit. One thing led to another. I was putting in my debit card number. So I know you're probably wondering, is this video sponsored by therealreal? It's not. I just spent way too much money on a purse and I have no shame. But you know, if anyone from therealreal is watching this, like, I'll put my manager's link below if you want to like send her an email. This is like a legit unboxing. You see there is no rips. I'm opening it. Ooh. Ow. Ooh. Am I really bad at unboxings? Probably, but alas, here we are. First things first, this thing. It's a real thing with my receipt. I don't want to look at that, but we love her. You can see what this is. I'm dying. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I mean, oh my god, it's so much softer than I expected. This item is final sale. It is not returnable. This is everything. I am dead. This is a Fendi baguette. Are baguettes still in style? I don't really care. I have one in white that I got on like the best deal ever from eBay, and I have been wanting this one since like last Christmas, honestly. I saw it was out of my price range when I wanted it last year, and it's been living rent-free basically in my head. It's a shearling baguette. I mean, I wish you guys could feel this. I'm gonna peel this stuff off. Oh my god, I mean, it's so pretty. So it just comes with a black strap. I actually ordered a different strap. My friend Mel had a closet sale and I ordered a strap to put on this, which I will insert if that comes today. I'll show you guys what that looks like. Oh, okay, it's here. DHL. Let's see what is in here. This strap retails normally for some like crazy amount, but I swooped it in my friend's closet sale. It is so beautiful. It is like a velvet. Oh, it's so nice. This is so much better than the plain black strap. I'm so freaking excited. Okay, yeah, I'm going to put this strap on and then I'm going to show you. The vibe is complete. Oh my god, I'm so much more, okay, unpopular opinion, but I prefer brown as opposed to black. Well, I prefer white and brown as opposed to black. In the winter, this purse is just so perfect with the strap. Oh my gosh, it matches like perfectly. I'm obsessed with this. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna try her on. We have to. Do you see how much of a vibe this purse is? Chef's kiss, amazing. The strap is perfect. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with everything going on right here. Whew. Never change. Never. Okay, so we just tried on the bag and it looks so good, unlike my bangs. We're still not talking about the bangs. The bangs they've got a mind of their own. But do we love the strap with this bag? I mean, I can't think of anything better in my life than this combination. I am, like I said, so much more of like a brown shade person than black, and so this is majority brown. But obviously, like, I can switch to the plain black strap whenever I want. But obviously I prefer this way. This way is just, honestly, I feel like this slaps. Like, to be fair, this bag could slap me in the face and I would be like, do it again 3 more times. That's how I would describe my love for this bag. It's in like such good condition. Oh, it does have the Fendi bag. I wasn't sure if this was gonna come with my baguette or not, but it did. Ooh, and I didn't know it came with this either. This is like the strap for... Okay, cool. So the inside, let's take a look at her. She is just a leather inside with a canvas material on the inside. We've got the tag. Obviously, since it was purchased from The Real Real, it's authentic. This thing is just beautiful. It's so much better than I expected in person. I have been looking for this purse since August and I have missed it every single time on the pre-loved market. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, I just gotta seize the day, you know, YOLO. Again, this video was not sponsored in any way by The Real Real. As much as I wish it was not. I love The Real Real. If you guys aren't familiar with it, it's like the best website to buy resale stuff on, and they also have stores in like Soho, LA. I don't know where else they are, but there's multiple stores, and I've just always had great experiences purchasing from them. Big fan. Honestly, probably not the end of the luxury purchasing for me for the holidays, because I've got that gift card coming from The Real Real for making this purchase. So pray for my bank account is essentially what I'm saying. We need the prayers. We definitely need the prayers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to stick around by subscribing. Follow me on Instagram, the usual thing. And until next time, I will talk to you all later. Goodbye.